Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to delete an email permanently. First, open your email client or web interface on your device. Take a moment to locate the specific message you want to remove, perhaps by browsing your inbox or using the search function. Once found, click to select the email or use the checkbox if you are deleting several messages at once. This initial step ensures you target the correct communication for removal. After selecting your email, locate the Delete button, which often looks like a small trash can or recycling bin. Clicking this icon will immediately move the email out of its current folder and into your designated trash or bin folder. Some systems might ask for a quick confirmation. Simply approve this step to proceed. This action is the first critical step in ensuring the message is no longer visible in your main inbox. Now, to complete the permanent deletion, navigate to your trash or bin folder, typically found in the sidebar menu. Within this folder, you will see the emails you just moved there. Look for an option that says Empty Trash or Delete All Permanently and click it. This action ensures those messages are removed from your trash folder, preventing their accidental recovery later on. To fully confirm the email is gone, quickly check your inbox and trash folders again to verify its absence. Once you have emptied your trash, the email is typically unrecoverable through standard means. Practicing this two-step deletion process consistently is the most secure way to manage your email privacy and digital clutter. Remember these steps for effective and permanent email removal anytime you need it.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.